I've been doing this 20 years and I'm still learning every day. My name is Jason Rolette. I'm a dry press setup technician. The dry press setup is the one that's responsible for putting tooling in the presses, making sure they're going to operate safely, create a quality part, and then that we're going to keep efficiency and productivity. We don't strictly deal with one product line or another. I may set up an armor press, and then when that's finished, I may move over and set up a part, an automotive part in another press, water valve, from alumina to silicon, all the different products. We deal with all of it. It gives you a sense of pride because it is a difficult job to learn, but once you learn it, then you can kind of pat yourself on the back and say, hey, I did this, I figured this out. And CruiseTech gives us a really good opportunity to learn. CruiseTech is a very, very family-oriented company. I believe employees need to know that their employer values them as a person, as an individual, and in turn it makes us want to be more productive, be better employees. To be a dry press setup, you need to be very detail-oriented. It's not enough to just know how to turn a wrench. You have to really pay attention to what you're doing. But if you're the type that thrives on a challenge and you want to see yourself bettering yourself every day, dry press setup is a great job to have.